I'm honestly not really too sure why more people aren't talking about this strategy, because so many people are using it to go ahead and blow up so quick on Instagram. I honestly think it comes down to most people just don't know what's actually going on behind the scenes. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the video. Today we're gonna be talking about the secret strategy that huge influencers use or use to be able to attain that influencer status and how they go ahead and they grow so quick. If you're new to the channel, you don't know who I am, my name is Anthony. I actually run a 1 million follower network on Instagram, and I also run an Instagram marketing agency. I make videos like this to help you guys grow your Instagram account from zero to hero, show you how to monetize, how to grow, and everything else in between. So if you're looking to take Instagram serious, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we put out daily uploads about how to grow your Instagram. So when it comes to Instagram growth, there are 3 main ways that you can typically grow, okay? You can either do everything completely organic and not pay for anything, and it's super slow and steady, and normally that is what you do if you're on a budget, basically automation stuff. Then you can go ahead and use viral strategies, which is kind of organic, but there is some stuff involved that you have to pay for. And then you could strictly just go fully paid advertising with ads. Those are typically the 3. You can go organic and just go ahead and just do manual work, go ahead and go viral and get on the Instagram Explore page, or simply pay influencers and run ads to grow your Instagram. But there is an alternative that you can do that not many people are capitalizing on, because not many people even know you can actually do this. Most of the people who use this type of stuff are Instagram models, you know, people who are attractive, and they go ahead and they use this method to get themselves out to more people. However, you could use this for almost any type of page, just growth will be different. So if you're trying to go ahead and grow in the make money online space, you can do that. The growth just won't be as aggressive as if you were an Instagram model for obvious reasons. Now, this strategy actually has to do with setting up fan pages. So of course, this mainly works for personal brands, mostly personal brands who are going to be doing this. So you would have your main profile that is a personal brand. Now, most people don't have money to go ahead and invest into Instagram to properly grow it, so they opt out and go ahead and do some automation stuff. Most people who do personal brands, they mainly do, you know, follow and follow, liking pictures, leaving comments on pictures, doing stuff like that. Now, it's not really that effective, but imagine having it done on such a large scale. Imagine having yourself following 100,000, 200,000 people per day, and then you could see how this actually is pretty effective. Now, on your main account, obviously those numbers are impossible, and you might be thinking, what the heck are you talking about, Anthony? Because you can only follow up to 7,500 people on Instagram, and you can only follow up to 200 people per hour, and this is where fan pages start to kick in. If you look at a lot of Instagram models, a lot of them have these Instagram fan pages that are basically pages that have names that are kind of similar to theirs, or maybe even completely different, and it basically uploads all of their pictures onto these pages, and they have them tagged in the bios, they have them tagged on the pictures, they have them in the comments, and they're basically fan page accounts that are set up on follow bots, and they go out and they engage with people, and that traffic goes ahead and funnels back to the models. There are even some types of fan pages that showcase multiple different models. These type of fan page accounts are typically set up by agencies that are managing multiple models' accounts, so they will start up a hot girls page, and then what they do is they will go ahead and put all their clients onto this page, and all their clients benefit from this, so they can set up lesser fan page accounts while still delivering the same result to their clients. Let's just be honest, follow and follow is a really shit way to grow. It's slow, it's unethical, the way how you do it is just built on a unsustainable, basically, platform. But when you do stuff like follow and follow on a massive scale like fan pages, things kind of start to change, because since you're doing it on the fan pages, these accounts don't really matter to you. If they get banned, if they get lost, if something happens, nobody really gives a fuck, because they're just the fan pages. So when you cannot do follow and follow on your main page so that it actually has a good look, and you can put it into a sector so that it can go viral, but you have fan pages that are going out on autopilot that take you no time, you make the account, you create it once, you set it on a bot and it engages, well, just imagine the growth you get from having 10 accounts set up following 2,000 people per day. Now imagine having 100 accounts set up following 2,000 people per day, and all of these accounts go ahead and funnel traffic back to your main page. This is where the stuff starts to get really, really powerful. This method is how you see a lot of people go ahead and go from literally nothing to have, you know, 50, 40, 100,000 followers on Instagram in sometimes just a month or two. This is typically the strategy they take. Now, how people grow faster than others is simply going to come down to the niche that you're in. Obviously, if you're an Instagram model, you're going to run circles around people who are maybe just entrepreneurs or people who are artists or something like that. And how many fan pages do you have set up? Once you set up one fan page and you know how many followers are getting traffic back to your main profile from that one fan page, then it comes down to numbers. If you know that each fan page you have gets you 50 followers per day, then each fan page account you have set up will get you 50 followers per day. So the more work you put in, the more followers you're going to get. And it could really come down to, you know, how fast you want to grow is going to be how many fan pages do you want to have set up. I think it's better to go ahead and have 10 fan page accounts running follow and follow for you than having no fan page accounts and running follow and follow on your main profile. Follow and follow on your main profile is just seriously a bad look. The second you stop it, people are going to unfollow you. I think a much better way to go about follow and follow if you're on a budget is take the time to set up 10 accounts, throw them on the follow and follow bots, and have them go and start following people and trickling that traffic back to you on your main page. And your main page, you can actually follow the people you want to follow. When you do follow and follow, you can't even see the relevant content you want to see in your feed. If you guys took a ton of value out of this video, please go ahead and drop it a like. Let me know in the comments, have you guys ever heard of the fan page strategy, or have you ever used it? What has your results been? If you guys are looking to take Instagram a lot more serious and really learn the advanced stuff that gurus don't tell you, stuff that influencers are lying to you about how they grew their platforms, then I'll leave an advanced training linked below. On that training, I go ahead and I expose everything and expose how influencers actually grow their Instagram pages from 0 to 100K and actually make money on the platform. So make sure you go ahead and check that out. Once again, hope you guys took some massive value. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because we put out some of the best content revolving around Instagram. Keep grinding, keep hustling, and I'll see you all on the next one.